Hi friends, welcome to my channel Renu's Chalk and Talk. If you are new, please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share my videos with your friends and family. Today we learn types of nouns. Nouns are naming words, isn't it? Names of persons, places and things. Those nouns are broadly divided into two types: concrete nouns and abstract nouns. First, what are the concrete nouns? Concrete nouns are names of, by name itself, you try to understand names of concrete things or concrete objects, like names of persons, places, things, materials, a group of persons, animals, or things. Okay? And these concrete nouns you can experience through your sense organs. Means you can see, you can hear, you can smell, you can taste, you can touch. These concrete nouns you can experience through your sense organs. Okay? These concrete nouns are further divided into four. What are those? Proper nouns, common nouns, material nouns, and collective nouns. First one, proper nouns. By name itself, names of particular person, place, or things are the proper nouns. Names of persons: Sachin, Dhoni, Sindhu, any name you can take. Amitabh, okay, any name you can take up. Names of places: India, Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai, any place. Charminar, Golconda, and usually proper nouns, they start with capital letter. Compulsory. Proper nouns always start with capital letter. Okay? And names of things: the Bible, the Quran, the Gita means Bhagavad Gita, not name of the person. Children, don't get confused. This Gita is the Bhagavad Gita, the holy book of Hindus, isn't it? The Gita. Okay, so proper noun talks about particular names of particular person, places, and things. Common noun, by name itself, again, names of common persons, places, and things. General, very common. Common persons means boy, girl, child, man, woman, all common persons. Even dog, cat, those also come. Places, common places: school, college, hospital, village, town, city, country, all those. Things. Last video, I gave one assignment before and we prepared the list of words starting with letter T, isn't it? Those all come under this category, common nouns. The things which we prepared: tube light, table fan, telephone, tape recorder, all those are common things, isn't it? Names of common things. So that's why that is the link. Our assignment with this common nouns. We prepared the list 30 to 40 words, isn't it? So those are all common nouns. Names of the things starting with letter T. Have you found? That is the link. Coming to material nouns. Material nouns are the names of metals or materials out of which the things are made. This table is made of wood. Table, common noun, wood, material noun. This chain is made of gold. Chain, common noun, gold, material noun. This building is made of cement, iron, and steel. Those are all material. So names of metals or materials out of which the things are made are the material nouns. Usually the material nouns we get only in singular, even proper nouns also we get singular only. Whereas common nouns you have both singular. Cow, cows, dog, dogs. We get both singular and plural words also. Then collective nouns. What are collective nouns? By name itself, collection, group of persons, group of things, group of animals, or the collective nouns. Like an army of soldiers, a bunch of grapes, a bouquet of flowers, a team of players, a class of students, a herd of cattle, a flock of sheep, a board of directors. Like that list, big list of words you can prepare with collective nouns. Okay? Usually that for the whole collection we use one word, isn't it? Team of players, band of musicians. Okay? Board of directors, all the directors together, one category, one name we are giving for that whole group, that are collective nouns. Then what are abstract nouns then? Abstract nouns are those which you cannot experience but through your sense organs. Okay, you cannot see or you cannot touch them. Only you can think or feel. Those are only feelings, emotions, okay, actions, only those qualities. So usually the abstract nouns are derived from verbs and adjectives and common nouns. These abstract nouns are derived from verbs, adjectives and common nouns. Let us see the examples, then you can understand in a better way. Suppose for example, common noun you take up boy. For that abstract noun is boyhood, child, childhood, leader, leadership, friend, friendship, relation, relationship, infant, infancy, school, schooling. Okay, so common noun for that, what is an abstract noun? You have seen. Okay, relation, owner, ownership, friend, friendship, like that list. Again, adjectives. These are common nouns. Next, okay, take adjectives. Brave is an adjective. Then what is an abstract noun for this brave? Bravery. Bravery is an abstract noun. Happy, happiness. Beautiful is an adjective. What is an abstract noun? Beauty. Okay. Intelligent is an adjective. Intelligence. Bold, boldness. Long is an adjective. Length. Okay. Like that. Again, you can prepare the list. Then next, verbs. Verbs and then abstract nouns. From verbs like act is a verb, action is an abstract noun. Act, action. Prepare is a verb, preparation. Apply is a verb, application. Solve, solution. Okay, like that. Believe, belief. Relieve, relief. Like from verbs, you can frame abstract nouns. Plenty of words are there. Only those two words which I just show you. Like we have two words, advise, advise, which is verb and which is an abstract noun here. Advise is a verb. S. This is an abstract noun. Advise. Here pronunciation also. Z, z pronunciation and here eyes. that pronunciation. Okay, but this is verb and this is an abstract noun. Another word is also there, practice, but here slight difference in spelling, but pronunciation is same, practice only. Here also practice, practice, but one is verb, another one is abstract noun. They practiced mathematical problems at home. They practiced. Practice makes man perfect. Another practice is as an abstract noun. Now, one activity here differently we do today. Are you ready? Then take an abstract noun, okay, and prepare the proverbs. First one I tell you, then you prepare some proverbs. 5 to 10 proverbs you can make. Like first one I tell you, practice makes man perfect. Isn't it? So here practice is an abstract noun. So prepare 5 to 10, if minimum 5, maximum 10. But your sentence must begin with an abstract noun and you frame one proverb. That is the instruction or condition for this. Okay. Then do this assignment and in next video we'll discuss those sentences on I to prepare and you to prepare your list. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video.